One of the most important actions on Moment is updating your profile. On the web, once you are logged into Moment, tap on the profile icon on the top right. Then tap Profile. Add or update a photo so that everyone can put a face with a name. Update your first name, last name, phone number, and password. Please note that as a parent, the only users that are able to see your last name, as well as your email address and phone number, are the teachers and administrators. Fellow parents cannot see this information because it is deemed private. On the app, tap the profile icon on the top left. Then tap Edit Profile. You can add a photo, update your name, phone number, and password. In addition, you can customize both your email and push notifications on Moment. When making a change, be sure to tap the green Save button.